Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro just dropped yesterday, and honestly, this year's lineup has seen a massive upgrade across the board. At this point, it's safe to say this tablet packs one of the strongest configurations you'll find right now. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the unboxing. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Here with me is the Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro. If you're wondering about the standard model, don't worry, the design language is more or less the same. Xiaomi's packaging still sticks to its eco-friendly theme. Inside, you'll find a 67-watt charger, 20 volts, 3.25 amps, USB-A. On the back, there's an NFC area that works smoothly with other Xiaomi devices. This unit is in the blue finish, and you'll notice the keyboard connection pins neatly placed here as well. From the side, the tablet doesn't feel bulky at all. Comparing it with an iPad's camera bump, the difference isn't huge. You get a dual-tone flash in a circular layout paired with a single 50-megapixel lens that looks premium and feels well-built with that metallic finish. The speaker setup is on both sides for stereo sound, while the top houses the magnetic spot for the stylus. The power button with fingerprint reader sits right next to the volume buttons. The overall design feels refined and elegant. Flipping to the front, you'll notice the screen looks slightly different. That's because this is the soft light edition. Even under bright lighting, there's minimal glare, and indoors it makes viewing much easier on the eyes. The Pro weighs just 492 grams, light enough to hold in one hand without discomfort. When compared to the standard display, you can clearly see the soft light version makes a noticeable difference under direct lighting. Size-wise, it's close to an A4 sheet folded to B5, so sliding it into most backpacks is effortless. At 11 inches, the form factor feels just right. This particular unit comes with 16 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, basically the same as some laptops. The screen itself is 11 inches LCD with a 3.2K resolution of 3200 by 2036 pixels. The sharpness is great at 345 ppi, and the 3.2 aspect ratio is perfect for reading and office tasks. Brightness goes up to 659 nits manually and peaks at 865 nits automatically. Overall, the display looks crisp and well-suited for both work and media. Now let's talk performance. The Pad 8 Pro runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Benchmark results are solid. Geekbench hits 2967 single-core and 9485 multi-core, while Antutu crosses 2.88 million, exactly what you'd expect from a powerhouse like this. But performance isn't just about numbers, so let's check out gaming. Playing Honor of Kings at max settings with 120 FPS held steady for 30 minutes. The average temperature stayed around 38 degrees on the front and 37 at the back, very controlled. Genshin Impact at 60 FPS ultra quality also averaged 59 frames with almost no drops, keeping temperatures in the mid-30s. Even high-load titles like Honkai Star Rail ran smoothly, with temps just under 40. So thermal management here is excellent. Beyond gaming, Xiaomi has worked on making the Pad 8 Pro more like a productivity tool. It supports PC-level WPS Office with AI features like one-click PPT generation and AI image creation, boosting efficiency. Its browser feels close to a desktop experience, and the tablet table mode lets you open multiple apps side by side, even up to a 1:9 split screen. Vertical mode now supports top and bottom splits too, making multitasking more natural. On the ecosystem side, Xiaomi phones pair seamlessly with the Pad 8 Pro. You can mirror your phone, drag and drop files or photos, and even share the clipboard across devices. Surprisingly, it plays nicely with Apple devices too. You can transfer files with ease, and if you have a MacBook, this tablet can double as a secondary touch-enabled display. Battery-wise, the Pad 8 Pro packs a 9200 mAh cell with 67 watts fast charging. From 1% to a full charge took about 83 minutes in my test. It also supports 22.5 watts reverse charging, so it can power up your phone in emergencies. Now onto accessories. The Focus Pen Pro feels premium with its round body, replaceable tips, and a magnetic design. It comes with features like air gestures, quick tool switching, and even haptic feedback, making it versatile for drawing, note-taking, or navigation. The keyboard case adds another layer of productivity. With its suede-like finish, solid hinge, and comfortable typing feel, it transforms the tablet into a near laptop setup. The trackpad is small but responsive across its entire surface, arguably better than some Xiaomi laptops. When paired with the pen and keyboard, the full setup weighs just over a kilo, about the same as an Ultrabook. Overall, the Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro, especially this soft light version, delivers a fantastic display for indoor use, flagship-level performance, great thermal control, and versatile productivity features. If you're already a Xiaomi phone user, this tablet integrates seamlessly into your ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for both work and play. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.